chicken tamales and mole rojo. There is not another recipe, guys. That's the one. Look this baby. Unbelievable. Enjoy. And the mole, guys. Look at that. I'm impressed of my cooking skills. Incredible recipe. What to do? Ciao bello. Very nice. My name is Luca, 25-year experience as a chef, fine dining, big hotel, Michelin star level. Make it nice. And that's my kitchen. Comfort food, but beautiful. And life in full flavor. That's your channel, guys. That it is. And what we do? 3 preparation. We prepare the chicken, of course, we prepare the chicken stock that we will use to do the sauce. We combine sauce and chicken to get this beautiful filling. Of course, we prepare the masa after we close the tamales and we cook it. In the meantime, we prepare the mole rojo that is going with our tamales. You can use green sauce or salsa verde. I will use mole rojo. And comment down below, guys, please. For the broth, I will use my pressure cooker. Like this we save time. Instead of 2 hours, I will take 30 minutes max. I bought chicken bones. Very nice product, super cheap, and give a beautiful flavor to the broth. Of course, it's chicken broth. Super easy. 2 white onion, 6 garlic cloves, peppercorn, 2 or 3 bay leaf, and that's it. Super easy. We make a simple, clear broth. Very nice. And for our sauce that we will use to mix with the chicken for the filling of our beautiful tamales, we need chile guajillo, 8 pieces, seed off, chile ancho, very nice flavor, 2 pieces, Mexican oregano. As usual, I said, don't buy the Italian, completely different flavor. Ground cumin, half tablespoon, and the chicken broth that we were doing before. And of course we will use some fresh cilantro as a flavor. And fresh thyme. Pinch of salt, and that's it. Very important, very nice. And don't forget your coriander seeds. Very important. Of course, don't forget that for our sauce we need the chicken broth. And after we take this red sauce, we shred our chicken. We reserve the chicken stock, of course, with all the preparation. We mix part of the red sauce in the chicken, shred it, and this is our filling. Very nice. For the filling, we need Of course, the chili and the rest, and the chicken thigh. I will use chicken thigh for our filling. It's an amazing combination of flavor and preparation. Of course, before we take the chicken and we sear it in the pan. After that, we put it in the pressure cooker with the bone, the rest, and we do our broth. But in the meantime, we cook the chicken. After that, we take part of the chicken broth and we mix it to do our red sauce to combine with the chicken for our filling. Very nice. But it's not just that, because after we take part of our red sauce, we combine with the nuts and the rest to do our mole. And part of it we combine with the manteca and the flour to do our masa. Unbelievable, guys! Follow till the end. For our mole, this beautiful nutty sauce, incredible, that is not a sauce in Mexico, it's a main dish. Third step, we will use walnuts, 1 cup, almond, 1 cup again, pine nuts, half cup, pumpkin seed, half cup again, and 1/4 cup of sesame seed. And to give some flavor to our mole, 4 cloves, 1 spoon of cumin powder, half spoon of Mexican oregano, and the secret, a little bit of tortilla chips. We will toast it as well and put it inside. And if you see that, you know that our mole will be good. Smell amazing. Of course, our chili and the chicken broth. That means again 8 guajillo pepper and 2 ancho. We blend all together and we put it back on the fire. 1 hour, 2 hours, half an hour, how much you want. More is cooking, better it is. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, push the bell, comment below, share, wherever you wanna do. Subscribe, guys! Very important, very nice. And follow till the end, of course, because every step is important. But if you don't understand, just comment below. Comment down below, guys, please. For our masa, we will need, of course, manteca, and this manteca, it's a special one. It's the one that I use to cook the carnitas. You can watch the video in our channel, of course. After that, I strain it and I save it. It's super flavorful. If you don't find manteca, that is a pork fat, you can use a little bit of butter, but otherwise just keep it. But make the difference. The flour, corn flour, I will use Maseca brand. Is the best for me. And we will combine with a little bit of our red sauce, the same of the chicken, and some chicken broth. That's it. And make it nice. And for our masa, we start with the manteca in a bowl. We add our flour, we combine all together. We add some red sauce as a flavor and chicken stock till consistency. Remember, the dough need to be soft but not sticky. The same for the tortilla, but a little bit more soft. And you see that? That is our masa. It's soft, but it's not sticky. This is what we want. Always perfect, man. What to do? 25 years of experience give you the perfect one. It smells amazing for the manteca and for the red sauce we use. Look at that. Unbelievable, guys. You know already our tamales will be beautiful. And time to build finally the meat. So we take the corn husk. This is very important product. I bought it here in a Mexican shop. I bought another version, the same in Amazon. I will put all the link in bio as usual. We put our masa, we put our filling, we close up and we steam for 1 hour. And you see that? Unbelievable! Now it's time to steam them. We will put in the steam pot, bought from Amazon as usual, for 1 hour till the dough is cooked. When it's cooked, you can see when you open one, the dough is not sticky anymore to the corn husk. Look at that! Very nice. Enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to follow, ring the bell for notification, comment if you don't understand something, and look at that. Time for cooking. I got this beauty. It's a steam pot 4-layer from Amazon, of course. And we will show you how to place our tamales. You know, we put a base of 3 of our tamales to create a space for the steam. After the rest, we put it on top. We cover the last layer with the leftover leaf to create more steam. Lids on, 1 hour. Let's do it. Alexa, I'm using Google today. Are you jealous?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Hey Google, pon un temporizador de 1 hora.
Okay, 1 hour. Starting now.
Very nice. And life in full flavor. That's your channel. And this is Chef Luca. Chef Eileen is working today. Next recipe we do it together, of course. And cooking process finished. Let's open one of these baby. And look at that, guys. Chicken tamales, the best recipe ever. Look at that. There is not another one. And time to test this beauty. Impressive recipe. Super simple, require just a little bit of time and attention. Make your own, guys. I put some mole on it. Let's test this beauty. It's unbelievable, guys. It's really impressive. The mole, beautiful. A little bit spicy. The tamales, unbelievable. Chicken tamales, the only recipe, guys. Make your own. Unbelievable. Chicken tamales en mojo rojo. No en mojo. Very nice.